everybody, this is Roxy, and I just wanted to share a project that I made using my latest Your Creative Studio subscription kit. I love it. It's real shabby chic, and it has a gardening theme, which is awesome. So I'm doing a lot of gardening books for my next craft sale. So I used a idea that I saw from Shanuki Art. I'll put her video down below. And she was making a project inspired by a project that I think her name is Louise Hensel made. So I kind of updated mine a little differently than Shanuki's, whose was different than Louise's. So basically, this is 2 envelopes. I'm doing a series also. Side note, I'm doing a short little series called Remember This. After cleaning my art layer, I found a lot of products and tools that I haven't used for ages. And in a couple of cases, never used at all. So this one is using some templates, envelope templates from Stampin' Up. So here is my little project. This is vintage seam binding. Plus I made little tear pads to go inside the pockets. Shanuki did hers quite differently, where she made a kind of notepad and wrapped it around the outside of the envelopes. And I didn't really want to do that, because to me it's almost like you're wearing your undies outside your pants. So I just did it the other way around. But there's a pocket here for a tag or whatevs. And then these close it up. There's also a back side. This is made from that packaging that you get all day long. At least it's paper. And then here's another tear pad. This one I just stapled instead of glued. And then this is all from the Your Creative Studio subscription box. As are all these. These are the 2 of the stamps. I just love them. I have a hard time pressing down because of strength issues. So I did this one okay underneath, but then this one didn't turn out. So I stamped them on some of my coffee stain paper and cut them out. These are images that Amanda created for her kit. And here are some tags that I made. Gotta glue that down. So there's a little pocket for some of those. Here's another one. I love this little happy gardening time. Adorable. So I put that on each tag. Isn't that cute? Some wellies. So you can tuck stuff up there. So there's that project. Let me know if you've ordered any of Amanda's kits, because I really like them. I think they're a great value, because I've been able to make so many projects out of, like, I have a ton of stuff left, and I can still make more. Can make a few more of these envelopes, which I probably will for my craft sale. Get that in there. Oops. There. And I just put one on the other side too. There. So there we have it. Thanks for watching, and watch for my Remember This episodes. And see you later. Bye.